We got the beater. Yeah, beater. There we go, baby. It's raining seagulls, YouTube. Sheesh. Oh, we got the hand warmers inside the gloves. That's very important. Very important. You must know that it's nice and warm under these gloves. It ain't, we're not out here with ice fingers. Okie dokie, YouTube. I'm in a hurry to get HVAC. I'm running so late for the first scrap run of 2025. Not bad, not bad. I'm literally like 56 minutes late for a junk removal job, and I'm going to pick up a HVAC unit and a hot water heater first. And then we're flying to Towson, Maryland. Let's get it.
Turn right onto Bird River Road.
Everything must go, YouTube. We got the water heater. I gotta back up to his truck and then load up an air conditioner. Moving right along. It's right there on that truck, guys. Okay, YouTube. I didn't record loading it, but there's a furnace, an air conditioner, and a hot water heater on the back. I'm dropping them off at my storage unit. Then I gotta fly to Towson and do a junk removal, and also go pick up, I believe, a hot water heater and a refrigerator down there. Let's get it, guys. We're not stressed out at all. We got plenty of time. Open says moi. I have literally like 7 minutes to take all these appliances off. It's
Turn
three
right,
things.
Then take the first right.
But we secured the oh, there's a hot water heater from my buddy. He was supposed to give me that the other day. So now we got 2 hot water heaters. I gotta drain them and pull the copper and brass off, guys. Yeah, hot water heater. My buddy dropped this off, just a big one. The other day I went and picked a refrigerator up for him in Middle River, Maryland. And I was supposed to get this afterwards. I gotta get these straps off. Look at the size of this baby. It's huge. We've really gotta do a TV run soon. Soon. My new compressor I didn't even plug in yet. McGraw. That's probably like Harbor Freight stuff, but whatever. Not bad if it's free, I guess. I personally don't like Harbor Freight stuff. Alright guys, I'll get more footage when we're done. There's the air conditioner and the frame and the hot water heater. Real quick, YouTube, there is a hot water heater we're going to be taking. I need to pull up a little bit farther. I just went to Towson, Maryland and did a junk removal. There's a little bit of metal piled back in that corner, a decent amount. A couple plates and some in these bags I gotta go through. Let me pull up, load this up, strap it down, and we're out of here, guys. Let's get it. Ooh, Seagull world. There's a line over there. Sheesh. We're in the lower part of the landfill. It's usually up top the hill. Look at all these trucks. I'm gonna go throw this out, keep all the metal off of here I can, guys. I'm gonna cut a couple bags open. I probably won't record it, but we're keeping all the metal and wire and all that good stuff. Excuse me, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I apologize. It's raining seagulls, YouTube. Sheesh. They're everywhere. YouTube. We are back at the unit. Whole bunch of water heaters going on. I made it to the landfill, emptied my truck. Got a little bit of brass. So, oh no, this one's been leaking the whole time I've been gone. Great. There's a flood. Oh, it's way back there. Sheesh. So, the only way, tomorrow is Saturday, the only way to go to the scrapyard is you have to be there by 12:30. I don't know if I'm even going tomorrow, but in case, right now I'm gonna start breaking some stuff down. We got 4 water heaters. Get all the brass off of everything. And yeah. This is not supposed to be draining in the unit. Get yourself together, water heater. Sheesh. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of little brass parts and all on each one I can get off. Got the plumber's brass. We're gonna cut up, maybe start cutting that air conditioner up. I'm not sure. He gave me, he's a roofer. The guy that I did the junk removal for is a real cool dude. He's a roofer. This is a whole bunch of screws and crap thrown in here. There's a little bit of screwdrivers I pulled out of one of his trash bags. I personally don't do too much soldering ever, but there's some solder. I try to keep tools whenever I can, just because. Yeah, I don't know why. You can only have so many Phillips screwdrivers, but I want 50. Alright guys, I'm gonna get started. Yeah, so he threw away an 8-pack of the hex bits. I'll just put them in each one of these. Tall cotton. Yeah. We can take everything apart now. Look at this. Look at this. Do you see this? Yeah, my brother gave me the new Milwaukee. I had to buy the DeWalt just to be annoying. Alright guys, let's get a pipe wrench. So I just tried to pull on this so hard with all my weight, and it was giving me a very hard time. However, we got the beater. Yeah, beater. There we go, baby. Sheesh. What's going on here? Come on, Brassola. There we go. There we go. That one was in there, like worse than usual. Brass. There's a very little bit in there, if you can see it. Still got the Teflon, but I don't think that's such a big deal. Take it off, make it look better. Make it look better. Moving right along. Nice. Alright, I got a lot more to go, guys. This thing is getting on my nerves. I don't know why. Okie dokie, guys. I've been here for a while. I got 4 hot water heaters, a frame, the air conditioner broken down. This thing's still in the back here. with the big old transformers. I'll mess with that another time. It's getting dark, it's getting cold. I'm supposed to pick up another hot water heater. That will make 5. We'll go handle that on our way home, but it's getting late, so let's get home and we'll come back in the morning and go back to the yard. I don't have enough steel weight on here, honestly. YouTube, it's pretty dark. It's like 5:30. I'm picking this hot water heater up for my buddy and putting it on my truck. You probably can't see good. I gotta turn this up, drop my tailgate. It ain't gonna be easy, but I'll get it out of here. This is the maintenance dude that gives me all kinds of stuff. So real quick, I'm not going to record it, I'm just showing you guys, and then we'll be done. Let's get it. It's dark. Dun, 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 dun. Good morning, YouTube. It is absolutely freezing this afternoon. I wasn't even going to come to work today. It's very, very windy. I decided to get ready like an hour and a half after I wasn't staying home. So it's 11 o'clock right now, and I'm going to my storage unit. Gotta be to the yard by 12:30, and I would like to get there a little bit early. Literally gonna be there in like 5 minutes. I got a quick load up in like 45 minutes and then fly out of there. I might get the wire stripper out, but I don't know. I might not have enough time for that. Let's get it. It is 32 degrees right now. Pipe wrench. My buddy. This new hot water heater we got. Gotta pop this brass off. I threw the radiators up front. Finished breaking this guy down. Get this motor off. Either get out the Stripmeister and strip some of this thicker wire that I got right here, or start taking that bad boy down back there apart. I got about a half hour. Let's get it, YouTube. Wave 5 for the camera, YouTube. It's freezing. I got like 5 layers on. Oh, we got the hand warmers inside the gloves. That's very important. You must know that it's nice and warm under these gloves. It ain't, we're not out here with ice fingers. Sometimes we're out here with ice fingers, but not much. Okie dokie, we got all that. I gotta get the saw. Get the saw, baby, get the saw. Yeah, saw. Let's get a nice blade. Where we at? I throw all my blades in here random, so I got like 30 blades at the bottom, and I like to keep grabbing new ones. Come on, blades. We can even use some of these little guys, really. Temporarily, anyways. Let's get to work. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, it's windy today. Ooh. Up to 40-mile-an-hour winds, guys. Moving right along. I'm gonna finish breaking this down. Gotta get these motors off, etc. I'll get footage in a little bit. It's windy today, YouTube. Sheesh. Well, it was spinning until I hit record. Okie dokie, we got all that out. Here's our motor. Oh, I should have got this one out first. Whoops. Long story short, The 4 bolts that hold that into here were all 3/8. The cage that holds this was also a 3/8. These bolts, they're 3/8. Carbide tip blade. Another motor. I think there's more up in there. I forget. Thought we had a couple motors. Ready? Motor weight, motor weight, motor weight. This I always cut out from in here. So we're gonna pop this baby off. 3/8. There's one. Save your screws. 2. Sorry if there's a bad angle, it's not intentional. Save your wires, everybody. Be surprised how fast I get wires saved up. This was empty the other day. It's almost like a 5-gallon bucket maybe. Moving right along. Got it cut into this baby. Wonder if I can just use the carbide to get this. Can you see what I got going on here, YouTube? Yeah, we can. Cool. Whoops. Woo! Okay. Another 3/8. Go ahead and grab this. Like so. Boom. Come with this. Ready? Can you guys see this? Motor number 2 secured. Alright, I might grab the Stripmeister really fast. Rake a few wires down and head out, guys. There's a steel spring inside of these. These are aluminum on the outside. There's a spring. And it dulls your blade if you didn't know there's steel inside of there. See that little spring? All right, we're almost ready to hit the yard, guys. Let's get it. The Stripmeister. Not to be confused with the Scrapmeister, who's a very hard worker on YouTube. Check his channel out, guys. Shout out YouTube Scrapper, salvaging in Arizona, scrapping with Grandpa, all you guys. Scrapping junk, big country scrapper, scrapping on the fly 77, backs, ATL, subprint, Mike the Scavenger, scrapping pallet man. There's a whole bunch, you guys. The Sandusky scrapper, what was it, Scrap Guy 69, etc, etc, etc. Check out a couple guys' channels, everybody. Spread the YouTube love. I just made a short using a Stripmeister like 2 days ago, guys. Don't cut your hand, it doesn't feel good. One time I was working with my buddy doing chimney work for concrete, and Monday morning 7:03 a.m. I cut straps off of some pallet with the stuff we needed. First thing Monday morning, I took a razor all the way into my palm, like as deep as you could get it, and I was leaking everywhere. And I still worked the whole week with like taped up hand. It was not good. Don't chop your hands off. Don't chop your hands off. There's the copper. There's the copper. I knew you guys were hiding it. I knew it. I knew it. See? So I just gave my brother this giant coil of copper the other day that we're gonna melt down, or I would be keeping all this for me and him to use. But we already got like over 10 to 15 pounds, I would say, to make some ingots out of. Ingots. There we go. We're gonna strip these and probably head out very soon afterwards, because time is running out. YouTube, time is running out. It's not a lot of copper, but it's copper. Something is better than nothing, right? Right. It's almost like I'm used to working in stressful conditions. Almost. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? I hope so. Woo! Yeah, that's what you're looking for, guys. That shiny interior. It is so cold. It is so cold. Okay, I'm gonna do that for the rest of these and then probably get ready to go. Not bad, not bad. 6540. Let's go throw it out. It's not a very heavy load, guys. That monster. Somebody threw a car up there. Quickly now, I gotta do this fast. The guy's waiting for me to move my truck over there. Whoa. SawZall, copper. This yard has so many nails and screws. It's ridiculous. Come on, hot water heaters or regular water heaters. Feel that wind picking up, guys. Wind everywhere. This is a lot of water heaters randomly. That's aluminum. Okay, I'm gonna throw the rest of this out and get footage when I'm done, guys. Yikes. Non-ferrous going. I got a whole bucket of nails I'm throwing in this blue nail and screw container. Really quick, YouTube. All this is mostly screws. We're not throwing this chunk of brick out. But what's up, man? Roof and screws, bro. I think they're frozen. We don't want the hardware. We don't need the hardware. Here's some big clean legs. I'll save the legs. We'll save the legs. I just bought a bunch of these, but smaller. This is PVC pipe and caulk. There's a couple more screws in there. Luckily it's frozen. We'll wait till it thaws out. It's like a PVC wrench, I believe. All right, let's get on the scale, guys, and then do non-ferrous and be done. Sorry if you couldn't see that real good. My camera was just pointing down. Duh. I just threw out all these red screws and these long giant ones right here. They're big. Maybe I should keep some of these in case we need to screw something. 8 inches and 10 inches. All right, let's get on the scale. Okay, that wasn't much weight. Probably like 600 pounds or less. I'm not really sure. Not bad, actually. 5,600. That might be almost 1,000, as a matter of fact, YouTube. It's cold out, so you fill the hot water heaters all the way up with water and let them freeze. And then you make like $8 extra. And you get kicked out the scrapyard. All right, I'm gonna do non-ferrous and we're done. YouTube. Let me try to do this really quick. Okay, this is more than I thought. Sheet iron, 6560 to 5,600. 960 pounds, 65. I thought it was like 500 or less. Okie dokie. Here's all our prices. Here's what all we got. I'm gonna read these in an order. Bear Bright 14, copper 1280, brass 1620, of Radiators 37, $8 in sealed units, $5 electric motors and aluminum siding and aluminum, $550 for a grand total of 120, 40, 60, 1, 2, 162 dollar. Not bad. So it's been like 6 weeks of nothing but issues and headaches and crap happening random. We're in the new vehicle, which is amazing. I haven't really showed it off on purpose, like little hints and showing like side views. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Everything must go. Every year must go. 2025 is gonna be so amazing. On to the next one. Arrgh. And my puppy dog, Edamalo. There she is, YouTube. She'll be okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. You'll be okay. You're a big girl. Aww. It's snowing, baby. Come on, puppy. Luckily, they plowed. Look at all that snow, puppy. Puppy, where's the sidewalk? It's gone. It's beautiful. It's cold, Milo. Look at all that snow. It's still snowing. It's been snowing since last night. It's still snowing, Mr. Milo. It's cold, baby. It's cold, Mr. Milo. Come on, baby, we're gonna go home. It's freezing outside. YouTube. It is dark. I didn't work today. It snowed. See the ice? Somebody dropped a water heater off here this morning, so I'm coming to put it in my unit. Wow, look at all this snow they got in here. I didn't want to just leave it there and then they get mad at me. And it looks like he dropped it at the wrong unit. I wasn't gonna leave my house today, but since I did, I had to stop here. It's a mess. It's a mess. Ooh, look at this ice sheet. I got a pair of girls' ice skates in the back of my storage unit. Yeah. It's freezing, guys. I'm gonna have to tell him he's one unit off. I've had this unit for like 18 months or at least over a year, and I've never seen these people ever want to order from me. And in the last 2 weeks, they came like 4 times in a row while I was like working. And they were real nice. They're like, you mind if I get in there? I'm like, sure. But dead in the center of breaking down stuff. All right, guys, we're gonna put this in there. It's probably full of water and heavy. It's pretty heavy. It's got water frozen in there. Ooh, there's some copper, and a little bit of brass. It's funny, the other day I took like 5 water heaters in my last video. That's rare to get 5 at once. But yeah, we're gonna load this baby in here. I'm surprised somebody didn't take it. I figured somebody would have seen it and grabbed it, but we'll keep it. We'll keep it. The Defender safety system. Man, it is so cold. It was like a high of 27 today or something. I took my dog on a regular walk, and halfway through the walk I was like, we're leaving. And he was mad, but in my head I'm like, I don't want him to be freezing. Wave high for the camera. All right, guys, we'll get some more footage tomorrow or something. It's too cold for today. I don't think I'm completely insane, but I'm just riding through this neighborhood real quick on my way back home. Probably too cold to be out here doing all this. That looks like a single screen. It is. And a shopping cart, and that's it. We ain't going to get that. Okay guys, I'm at these apartments. There's a bunch of metal chairs piled up and a table. They look metal. If they are, I'm gonna have to unscrew the backs. It's freezing. I probably shouldn't even do this. It's 6 p.m. Haha. Well, I might do it anyway. Just because, why not? Everything must go, YouTube. Everything must go. Even in a winter wonderland. Real quick, YouTube, I did get some metal frames, bed frames or something. I'm cutting a little bit of cord. These chairs are wood. This is a frame right here, and then we're leaving. It's chilly, guys, to say the least.